Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a water drop, so let's get started. First, draw a line down, a slightly curved down to the right and upwards again. Now draw two one big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside with three lines, and the mouth. Now we have a water drop. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.